Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and we're going to take a look at how to attach a wide piece of elastic to a piece of fabric and then create a casing. My serger is set up with a 4-thread overlock. Let's go over to the machine and start serging. I'm going to place my fabric right side down, and I'm going to attach my elastic so that it will trim my fabric, but that it does not trim my elastic. I'm going to put my foot down, and we're going to serge this. And while it serges, I'm going to give this elastic just a little bit of a pull. So you can see here, I've got a little bit of stretch still. And now all I need to do is take this over to my sewing machine, fold it over, and right along this edge, I'm going to use either a serpentine stitch, a 3-point zigzag, or an overcast stitch to stitch this down, and I will have a casing for my elastic. And that's how you insert a wide elastic and create a casing on your serger.